Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the essentials. Installed Skin Tool Config Pro and Admin Access so file writes succeed. Once done, make a backup of your active skin profile to avoid accidental loss, then place your assets, PNG, JSON metadata, and 512 x 512 previews into a dedicated project folder. Next, launch the app and open a new project. This creates the workspace where you'll map assets to slots. Make sure to set project resolution and naming conventions before importing to prevent later conflicts. Now you map assets to the tool slots. Drag your PNGs into the texture panel and assign them to the corresponding model parts. You need to set scale, rotation, and anchor points so textures align with geometry. Small offsets save hours later. Once mapped, tweak compression, mipmaps, and LOD behavior in the export settings to balance quality versus file size. If you plan variants, create layers and use naming conventions so the batch exporter recognizes each skin set and applies consistent rules. Finish by previewing the skin in the tool's live renderer to verify alignment and animation frames. This catches issues early. Then export using your preset. Create a debug build for in-engine testing so you can iterate fast. If the skin looks off in the app or game, first recheck anchor points and UV scale. Next, inspect JSON slot mappings for typos or wrong indices. One troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes, clear the app cache and reload the skin. Stale caches often mask fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.